Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM. In today's video, we will be sharing everything you need to know about the free Infant Darshan at Tirumala. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family, especially those planning a pilgrimage to Tirumala, as this information might be very useful to them. The Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's TTD provides a special privilege called Infant Darshan exclusively for babies below 1 year of age. This special darshan is not only free of cost but also doesn't require any kind of online booking or offline ticket collection. Parents can simply walk in with their baby during the specified hours. The reporting point for this darshan is the Supatham entrance located on South Mada Street, just a short distance from the Tirupati Balaji temple. Families must report with baby here directly between 12 noon and 6 pm. Only parents and siblings of the baby will be allowed along with the baby for the darshan. Siblings should be under 12 years of age. Other family members like grandparents, cousins or relatives, regardless of age, relationship or special request, are not permitted even if they have any other darshan tickets or tokens. Make sure to carry the following mandatory documents to access Infant Darshan. Carry either original or photocopy of baby's birth certificate or hospital discharge summary provided by the hospital where the baby was born. Along with that, carry either original or photocopy of Aadhaar cards of both the parents and the siblings. If the siblings don't have an Aadhaar card, a school ID card can be submitted for age verification. These documents will be verified by police personnel and TTD officials at multiple points before allowing for darshan. Darshan duration may take approximately between 1 to 2 hours depending on the crowd. You can avail Infant Darshan once every 30 days until the baby turns 1 year old. This 30-day rule is specific to Infant Darshan and does not apply to other darshan types like special entry, Arjita Sevas or virtual Sevas. If you have tickets for other darshans on the same day, you are still permitted to attend them. Infant Darshan at Tirumala is available on all days except during certain major festival occasions. On such days, the TTD may cancel the Infant Darshan with prior notice. Mobile phones, smartwatches and electronic gadgets are prohibited inside the temple. You must deposit this at the luggage mobile deposit counter near Supatham entrance. A slip will be issued while depositing your mobiles and luggages, which is mandatory to reclaim your belongings after darshan. You may carry essentials such as extra clothes, diapers, baby sweaters, shawls, small toys, milk bottles, water bottles, towels, medicines, snacks, small battery-operated fans for baby, wallets, room keys and vehicle keys. All items can be packed in a handbag or backpack. Dress code to be followed during Infant Darshan is for men dhoti with shirt or kurta with pajama. Women can wear sari or chudidar with dupatta. Report at Supatham entrance between 12 noon and 6 pm with all required documents. Security and TTD officials will verify your documents and scan your bags. You will be issued free darshan tickets here. Each ticket includes one free laddu worth ₹50. You will be seated in a waiting compartment until your turn. After that, you will join the queue with another round of bag scanning and frisking. After entering into the temple, if you have a Tulabharam offering, you can perform it at the Tulabharam Mandapam located left of Dwajastambam Mandapam. Complete your offering here before continuing to the darshan of Lord Balaji. Then proceed for darshan where you will have divine glimpse of Lord Balaji near the Dwarapalakas Jaya and Vijaya. After darshan, collect your free laddu from the laddu counter using the ticket issued at Supatham. You can purchase additional laddus for ₹50 each if needed. Don't forget to collect your deposited belongings at the Supatham entrance counter using your slip. If you need accommodation at Tirumala, you can avail it offline with your Aadhaar card. Visit the CRO office basement floor where the offline accommodation counter is located. We will cover the offline accommodation process in detail in our next video. We hope this comprehensive guide on Infant Darshan at Tirumala was useful. If you find this useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative updates on Tirupati and Tirumala. Until next time, take care and bye.